Hello explorers and welcome aboard the Legoland Express. My name's Ollie and today I'm going to be your personal expedition guide. Today's journey won't quite make it all the way to London Waterloo, but we will travel through the mystical kingdom of the fairies and around Lego City. And if you're really lucky, I'll even get you back again too. But no promises. We're likely to encounter some wild characters along the way, so you need to keep your heads, arms and legs inside the train, as well as refraining from any eating, drinking or smoking. Please also remain fully seated at all times and ensure all babies and children are sat on the seats next to you and not on your laps. Wherever you are currently sitting, you're sure to have a great view along the way. And don't worry, all of our carriages are fully air conditioned. Be sure to make yourself comfortable. We'll be departing shortly. Choo choo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please be reminded that all children and babies must be seated on the seats next to you and not on your laps. This is for their own safety. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please also be reminded to keep all heads, arms and legs inside the train at all times. This is also for your own safety, as there are some prickly bramble bushes on the sides of the train that we wouldn't want you touching. Across one of the busiest roads into the city, and it looks like there are a few people waiting for us to pass. So let's all shout choo choo at them as we go by to make them jealous that they're not on the train with us. Choo choo. Well done, everyone. Now please remain fully seated until the train stops and your doors have been unlocked. When your doors do open, please head towards the rear of the train to exit. And remember to gather all of your personal belongings. And children. You'll be surprised just how many people actually forget them. And if you leave them here for more than 24 hours, they become legal property of Legoland Windsor Resort. And you wouldn't want them ending up like me. So please, take them with you. Today's expedition has been so much fun. I think I'm going to have to go again. And again. And again. And again. But, I mean, for you, we've laughed, we've cried, and I love you like family. But now, get off. I'm sorry, that was rude. Please get off. Choo choo.